Hello everyone, welcome back to another Shapermint video. This is a very special video because it is in honor of Shapermint's 4th birthday. Shapermint is 4 years old. It's hard to believe that a company that has impacted so many women in a positive way is only 4 years old. So happy birthday, Shapermint. We wish you many, many more happy years to come. In honor of their 4th birthday, they are releasing some new colors, and these are new colors in the essentials. And I'm going to share with you one of my favorite essentials. It is the Cami. The Cami now comes in 3 new colors, which I'm really, really excited about because they are self-care inspired colors and they are absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and share this with you now. So the first color is called Face the Breeze in Atlantic Blue. I don't know about you, but my happy place is the ocean, so I absolutely love this blue. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful, and I can definitely see this being put to use during the summer. It also can transition really easily into fall. So the Cami, if you don't know, is one of my favorite Shapermint items. When I first tried Shapermint out, I didn't think that I was gonna love it as much as I do, and I absolutely do love this. I am wearing the Cami in a size large, I believe. Yes, a size large. And these are really nice because you can go braless with them. And I know in the summer, who wants to wear a bra? But with the Shapermint camis, you can go braless, and I don't feel bad about it because it has a lot of support. You don't even need a bra. They're air wicking, so you're not gonna sweat up a storm in them. They are form shaping. They will hug you in really nicely in all the right areas, your midsection, your back, and I like that they are not too low. I'm actually wearing one right now. I like that this is not low, just in case you're someone who is a little more conscious of cleavage, and then you are definitely safe in one of these. You can pull it down if you want, but I like that you can also pull it up and it'll stay in place. These are amazing because you can wear them under clothes, you can wear them alone. I am wearing it right now with a kimono, and that is just because I am a little more self-conscious and I like to cover up some. So that's one of my summer hacks. If you do not like to show your upper arm, maybe your midsection so much, just wear a kimono and it'll look really pretty as well. I've had this one for a really long time and I just cannot part ways with it. I don't wear it often, but I know that it's there when I need it, and actually I feel like I need to get more because these are life, especially if you're someone who isn't so comfortable with showing, like I said, your upper arm, your midsection. It's still very summery and flowy, so definitely don't forget about that hack if you are somebody who wants this cami but doesn't want to just wear it alone. So the next color I'm going to share with you is Daydream in Silver Gray. This is actually kind of like a bone color, and I really do like it. I'll put it up against this so you can kind of see the tone that it is. These tones, these 3 tones that they brought out, really work well together. So I do like this color. It's more neutral. I could wear it under this even if I wanted to, but this could be worn, like I said, under clothes, under blazers if you work. That would be perfect for a working woman. So these are the first 2 colors that they brought out, and the third is the one that I'm actually wearing. This color is called Channel Joy in Rose Tan, and it's a really beautiful pink rose color. I absolutely love the color. They're all soft colors and they go really well together. And I know that these are summer colors, but I feel like they can transition really easily into fall as well. If you're somebody like me, then I really gravitate towards the darker colors, black, and black. I love to wear black, but I am not afraid to try color out. Pops of colors are just so nice and refreshing, and right now that it's summer, it's the perfect time to experiment with color, with the different patterns. I'll still wear, something black like this. This is one of my newest skirts. It's still dark, it still has black in it, but I could also pair it with a pop of blue, and that would look amazing. This is a skirt that I got at Marshall's. I just love the styles right now. Skirts are definitely in, but this is actually just a skirt. So definitely don't be afraid to experiment with the latest styles and then mix and match that with your Shaper Mint. See, this skirt here, I could match with this. I could match with even this if I wanted to go a lot more neutral, and then I could even match it with the one that I'm wearing now. So they absolutely go with everything. I'm also not afraid to mix and match prints. I think that is so fun. Right now I'm wearing a very floral print. I know my daughter looked at me and she was kind of like, that's not her style. This is one of my newest pair of denim shorts, and I also have this pair here. So you can play with different washes of denim and come up with completely different looks and outfits. Let's see here. I could wear these denim shorts with this shirt. That's one outfit there. I could wear it with the one that I have on now, and I could even wear it with the blue one if I wanted to. Then I have this pair of denim shorts here, and it pairs with every single color of cami that Shaper Mint sent to me. So I'm really excited about that because you can stretch your wardrobe out with just having a couple of essential pieces. Another thing I want to mention is that perhaps you're somebody who doesn't feel comfortable in shorts. I know that sometimes in the summer is when leg rub is real. So I would really recommend that if you have that problem, maybe you just want to have a little more support in your mid area, you can pair your shorts with a pair of the Shaper Mint boy shorts. Nobody will ever know that you have them on because they do hide really nicely under your shorts. Shaper Mint also has these new colors in their bras. As I've mentioned before, the bras are my absolute favorite. I wasn't able to get my hands on one. I'm just wearing a regular black bra right now, but they do come in the new colors. They also have the high-waisted brief in all of these beautiful new colors. So I'm going to show these to you. These are one size fits all from size 0 to 14. So here it is here. These are very seamless. They won't show under your clothing. Now, if you want a lot of support in your mid area, then these probably aren't the underwear for you, but they do come in all of the new colors. Here's the other one. And I have one more color. Here we go here. So these would even be beautiful just to like walk around the house, look cuter on your husband. I know I always say that, but here is an entire set right here. I mean, you could even mix and match it and it would still look cute because all of the color patterns just go together. It's really, really pretty. Another Shaper Mint item that I plan on pairing with my new camis this summer are the biker shorts. I recently went out of town and I took my biker shorts with me and I absolutely love them. These are the biker shorts right here. They're just in black right now. But again, it can be paired with any one of these camis. I even thought about wearing it with my kimono here. Just so many new trends out there, just wearing bodysuits, biker shorts, and then putting a nice cover over. I think that's a really awesome trend and something that I'm kind of gravitating towards too. So I am going to be on the lookout for some new kimonos. If you all know where to get some, please let me know. So this summer, just make sure to be comfortable in your skin. You are beautiful the way you are. Everyone comes in a different shape and size, and that is what makes us unique. Just embrace your beauty and embrace your body. And when you have that confidence, it kind of just bounces off you and everyone around you can see it. Shaper Mint is definitely here to help. Beautiful new self-care inspired colors. Wear them, stand out in the crowd. Who wants to be ordinary when you can just be so much more? So definitely these new colors are beautiful. They will make you pop, and I feel like you can just do so much with them. So get your hands on these new colors. They are so beautiful, and I am so glad that I was able to share them with you today. I have a 20% off discount code. It doesn't last forever. It does go away, so you want to make sure to take advantage of that now. I will link it down below. I wasn't even able to get my hands on the bras. I know that these colors are going to sell out fast. So run and get on that computer and purchase these camis. Once again, I want to say happy birthday to Shaper Mint. You all are amazing. Thank you so much for working with me and collaborating with me on this video as always. I will see you all in my next video. I hope you have an amazing rest of summer. I'm actually looking forward to fall. I am. But I will see you next time. Bye.